Hello and welcome. Today, I want to share with you timeless insights that can guide us towards a happier, more peaceful life. These principles, rooted in ancient wisdom, remind us that fulfillment comes from simplicity, self-awareness, and focusing on what we can control. These ideas have stood the test of time and continue to offer practical guidance in our fast-paced world. As we explore these principles, reflect on how they might shape your daily experiences. Let's begin this journey of personal growth together. A key lesson from ancient philosophies is the importance of releasing what you cannot control. How often do we waste energy fretting over others' actions, unexpected changes, or uncertain futures? This unnecessary worry drains our peace of mind. By shifting our focus to what lies within our control, our attitudes, decisions, and reactions, we free ourselves from frustration. Letting go is not about giving up, but about choosing where to invest your energy. Consider this. What are the small stresses in your life that fall outside your influence? By acknowledging them and letting them drift away, you create space for clarity and peace. Happiness often lies in simplicity. The world encourages accumulation, more possessions, achievements, and titles. But true contentment is found in appreciating what we already have. Reflect on the simple pleasures in life, the warmth of the sun, a meaningful conversation, or the comfort of a quiet evening. By decluttering not just our homes, but also our minds, we foster a sense of calm and gratitude. Simplify your commitments and let go of unnecessary obligations. When you focus on what truly matters, life feels lighter and more fulfilling. Time is a gift we often take for granted. It slips by unnoticed while we chase goals or get lost in distractions. One of the greatest reminders we can embrace is to treat each day as precious and irreplaceable. Procrastination and idle activities rob us of life's most valuable resource. Start by structuring your day with intention. Reflect on how you spend your time and ask yourself if it aligns with your values. When you begin to see time as something that cannot be reclaimed, you naturally gravitate toward more meaningful pursuits. Each hour offers an opportunity. How will you use yours? True joy resides in the present. Dwelling on past regrets or future anxieties distracts us from life's richness unfolding right now. Simple acts of presence, such as observing the world around you, enjoying a meal, or engaging deeply in conversation, anchor us in the moment. This practice helps cultivate mindfulness, fostering deeper appreciation for daily experiences. When your thoughts drift, gently bring them back to the present. The more you train your mind to remain grounded, the more peace you will find. Presence transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. Difficulties are often seen as burdens, yet they hold the power to shape and strengthen us. Hardship reveals character, builds resilience, and prepares us for greater challenges ahead. By shifting your perspective, you can see adversity as a teacher rather than an enemy. Reflect on past obstacles. Haven't they contributed to the person you are today? Embrace future difficulties with confidence, knowing they are refining you into a stronger, wiser individual. Growth doesn't come from comfort, but from enduring and learning through life's storms. Kindness carries a ripple effect that extends beyond the immediate moment. Small gestures, a kind word, a helping hand, or a simple act of generosity uplift not only others, but also ourselves. Human connection is vital to our happiness, and extending compassion reinforces this bond. You never know how much impact a single act of kindness can have. Make it a habit to look for opportunities to brighten someone's day. Over time, this practice enriches your own sense of fulfillment and contributes to a more compassionate world. Taking time each day to reflect is a powerful practice for personal growth. By reviewing your actions, thoughts, and emotions, you become more self-aware and open to improvement. Consider asking yourself simple questions. What went well today? Where could I have done better? What lessons emerged? This reflection isn't about judgment, but about understanding and growth. Keeping a journal or simply pausing at the end of the day can create a valuable habit of continuous self-improvement. These principles, simplicity, presence, resilience, and reflection, offer a roadmap to a more peaceful and fulfilling life. By focusing on what truly matters, we step closer to lasting happiness. Remember, fulfillment doesn't come from external achievements, but from cultivating inner balance and harmony. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploring life's deeper lessons. If these ideas resonate with you, consider subscribing for more reflections and insights. Until next time, take care and continue to grow.